If you're looking to level up your B2B sales outreach, you're in the right place. In this quick Apollo.io guide, I'll walk you through how to use this powerful tool to streamline your lead generation, enhance your outreach, and make more sales, all in one platform. Apollo.io is a comprehensive sales intelligence platform that gives you access to millions of contacts across various industries. With its robust features, you can not only find leads, but also enrich and manage your outreach efforts all in one place. To get started, let's first talk about how you can find your target leads. Once you sign up for Apollo.io, which by the way you can use for free with the link below, head to the search tab. This is where Apollo.io really shines. You can search for prospects by company size, industry, location, and much more, making it easy to drill down to the most relevant contacts for your business. By using filters, you can tailor your search to be as specific as you need, ensuring you're reaching out to the right people at the right companies. Once you've found your leads, you can enrich their profiles. Apollo.io automatically pulls in valuable data from different sources, like social profiles and company insights, so you don't have to manually gather this info. This helps you personalize your outreach and make it more effective, rather than sending generic cold emails. The more you know about your prospects, the more successful your outreach will be. Now, let's dive into outreach. Apollo.io lets you craft and automate personalized email sequences directly from the platform. These email templates are easy to set up, and most importantly, they integrate with your CRM. That means you can run your outreach campaigns, track responses, and adjust your strategy as needed, all without switching between tools. This streamlined workflow saves you time and boosts your productivity. One feature I really appreciate is Apollo.io's ability to track email opens and responses. This gives you real-time feedback on your outreach efforts. If someone opens your email but doesn't respond, you can follow up right away with a customized message. These insights allow you to adjust your messaging and improve your conversion rates. And don't forget about the calling feature. Apollo.io has an integrated dialer that lets you make calls directly from the platform, all while logging your activity. It's a great way to keep everything organized in one place. Plus, Apollo.io can automatically track call results, saving you from doing manual data entry. If you're serious about growing your sales outreach, Apollo.io also offers detailed analytics to monitor your campaigns. You can see which emails are performing best, which leads are engaging, and where to adjust your strategy. This data-driven approach is crucial for optimizing your outreach and making sure you're targeting the right leads. Remember, if you're new to the software, you can access it completely free with the link below, plus get exclusive bonuses to enhance your experience even further. Apollo.io is a game changer when it comes to B2B sales outreach, and this guide is just the tip of the iceberg. Stick around for a bit longer, and I'll share how you can get an extended free trial so you can take full advantage of all Apollo.io's features without any cost upfront. To sum it up, Apollo.io is a comprehensive and intuitive tool that can help you accelerate your B2B sales outreach. By providing powerful lead generation, detailed insights, automated outreach, and tracking, Apollo.io takes the guesswork out of sales and turns your efforts into results. Make sure to grab your exclusive trial offer through the link below and start using Apollo.io for free today. Thanks for watching.